Hey, March 24th, I packed my stuff, have it packed, have it washed. My backpack is all washed after the ride. So yeah, I have 5:40. I have a bus to Aurangabad. So yeah, I'll arrive like 2 a.m. I hope so. Yeah, so yeah, I'm getting a taxi now, holla. And going to that place I showed you yesterday at night. There's some kind of travel agency, so they picked me up from that point. Yeah, so I reached this travel place. This is the same place I showed you yesterday. I ate here, and it was way more busy yesterday. Today was way better. I'm gonna go check out this place again. I had a lassi and some malo pakoda or something. Wonder if the lady has tea also. Hey, so some kind of street food dish, papri chaat. Yeah, looks good. Thank you. Yeah, the price is 35. Basically, that dish is made from a cracker, potato, some kind of white sauce, some kind of spices, and that's it. This could be for Holly, I don't know, but next week, like today is Sunday, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, it's Holly. Yeah, so this is my bus. Yeah, so this is the bus. It has USB ports, AC. This is my single. I paid 1,900, and that's kind of expensive. I now saw the same bus for 800, but this spot, like other spots, maybe worse spots, but I think they just lowered the price because they didn't get a lot of people here. So yeah, home safari. But if you like wait and the bus is not filled, like I said, you could get a better price, like for 1,000. It feels like a coffin or something, but yeah, you can put your stuff here, a bag. Below the view, so it's quite nice. Yeah, definitely one of the better ones I had. So we changed the bus probably because it was half empty, so now I'm on another bus. I'm gonna get a refund. I'm paying 900, like on the upper deck. But this dude came, I think it's his reserved seat. So I will need a change again. Yo, so I'm in Aurangabad. Looks very calm and peaceful, but it's 2 a.m. Yeah, my hotel. Yeah, hope it's nice. Yeah. The problem is there's no internet, so yeah, it's hard to navigate. Yeah, so it doesn't look that bad, but yeah, the bed is soft. Looks clean. It's only like 1,000 rupees, and I saw like a bunch of tourists from Japan, from Russia, from Austria, like somewhere else. So I don't think it's this bad. Just like I said, the problem, no window. What the hell? Oh, cool. Street. This looks like more like a bar or something. I don't know. What the hell? Yeah, so I was like saying the problem is that there's no internet. And that's very bad. Like it's gonna be expensive just to get tuk-tuks. Yeah. Okay, let's go see the shower. Not that bad. Yeah, it even has a towel. Yeah, so it's called like some kind of Holiday Inn era.